Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to buy Bitcoin on KuCoin. So here I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on KuCoin. To buy a Bitcoin on KuCoin, all you need to do is open up our KuCoin right here. Once you open up our KuCoin right here, next step for us is to, oh wait, I'm going to turn it to light so for all the beginners right there. There you go. There you go. I'm going to turn it to light. Once, as you can see right here, you will see Bitcoin right here. So as you can see, it's on the top. Oh my gosh, the Bitcoin is right here. Once you see the Bitcoin right there, just type it. We can just type it there. Type it Bitcoin, but yeah, you can just press on that right there. After doing that, you can check the scales. There we go. As you can see, Bitcoin went from very high to low right now. 66,000. Oh yeah, it went very low. Now, all we need to do is press on buy right here. After pressing on buy, we just need to enter an amount. Let's just say $50 right there. Then we're gonna select a payment method. So we can either use our Google Play, bank card, or Banana. Say right there. Once we're done that, just say bank Visa and preview order. Now as you can see right now, we just need to add our bank account and numbers right here. Then we just need to click on next once we are done filling all of this up. So yeah, there you guys, that's how you do it. That's how you get your Bitcoin here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, type in the comment section below, guys, and we'll have to answer you as soon as possible here at Guide Glimpse. And thank you guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.